Well, I am a country boy, and I don't like the city. I'd rather be at home, watching the telly. The cows and sheep are in the crop, and I'm hiding up my granny's loft, trying to find a way to make a living. It's 6 in the morning, and I'm in my bed. I spent most of the night in the shed. I was in the shed with me.